Follow the sunnah, inshallah we will go to Jannah.
Assalamualaikum friends. Today we will be continuing our Tas-heel series. Hadith 8, Sneezing. كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا عطس وضع يداه أو ثوبه على فيه وخفض بها صوته. When Allah's Messenger would sneeze, he would place his hand or cloth over his mouth to lessen the sound. Explanation. Sneezing often causes germs to be forced out of our bodies. When a person sneezes, drops of mucus may splutter from his nose. We therefore cover our mouth or our face when sneezing, especially when in the company of others. We also lessen the sound of sneezing by covering our mouths. Jazakallah. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Follow the sunnah.